Welcome back to another tutorial. These earrings are super quick and easy to make and also very adjustable. So you can use any beads you like. Here's what I use. Let's start with one big pearl and place her in the middle of our cord. Now add as many seed beads you need to frame half of the pearl. Take the other side of the cord and pass it through all beads, like this. Repeat this step one more time. Now it should look like this. To close the gap, just pull your cord through the next beads, so you have both ends next to each other in the center. Pass one cord through one more bead, so both cords are crossed. Now I add two more silver seed beads and then cross both ends of the cord through one glass bead. Now you can add whatever beads you like. And then again, I cross both ends of my cord through one glass bead. Next, I add 3 seed beads on each side. And then cross both ends through 2 more beads. To hide the knot, I bring the cord back to the glass bead like this. And now cross both ends again. If your earring starts curling up, just try to loosen up the beads a little bit. Then you can make your knot and seal it with nail polish. Once it's dry, just add your earring and you're done. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.